Hi guys, I again, artist. I'm here with another video that I am overpainted. I know if it's correct to say overpaint about 3D art, but I think it's nice, and I try to fix to improve some skill of our friends from zbrush page. It's a bit difficult to pronunciation, but it could be Vavrinec Foltan that did these hands, and I hope this video will help him. So this is the final result. On the left, I started to do eye details, but it take a very long time, and use basic some alpha. Basic alpha that we have, like this one, and something on this. I hope the shape run more correctly. The video take I took this video, I did this one in 1 hour, so the video is speed up, recorded from the app itself, and during 15 minutes that became 9 with a bit speed up. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, enjoy it, and comment if you have some other workflow that can help each other to grow up. Thank you, bye. Here we are. I added this Z tool. It did from ZBrush 21.7, so I found that it's impossible without upgrade this version. So I upgraded the last version of ZBrush, and I guess you should this because it's full of improvement. So the first that I noticed on this end, that the finger are everything too much straight. Instead, if you see the hands, it's it's capable to close and become more arrow, no, more dynamic form. So every finger that you see have converge into the center. If you see, it's not straight, but it's close to the center, this shape. And you notice that at this point there is the change of direction in the middle. I know only in Italy, but it should called phalange. No, I don't know in English, of course. And I try to fix the length on the first part, and if you notice, I increase the shape of the ligament when we do so. There are ligaments that connect the finger to the metacarpal zone. So if you increase this part, you can do smooth later. And other thing to consider is the principal two muscle of the hand, that this big one of the thumb and this one of the minus, that make the shape correctly. If you see in the middle of the hand there is a sort of hole, and you should try to make principal muscles before adding details. Another mistake that I usually do is to do the finger divided in 3 parts. Of course, you can do so there is 3 parts of a finger, but if you see the finger is principal divided in 2 parts, this one and this one. So start to do the only in the middle a division, and then add details on the top of the finger. Sorry for my English. I hope you understand what I say. Anyway, this speed up video I start to increase some bone, some radius bone and ulnar bone, and try to visualize better the top of it. I use often this clay build-up with round alpha because it's a bit smooth instead of other, and as you can see I only use that sixth brush on the bottom. At first I decrease the density of polygon because it's more useful to correct the general shape, and start to work tangentially on the shape, not following the line but tangentially, so horizontal instead vertically, following the finger. I try to keep your ideal hands, so I just try to correct, but the general shapes it's okay. This bone is another point of interest. If you see, when you turn the hands, these remain the same, and is always shown is the top of the ulna. About the nails, I just use Damian standard. I consider that like an eye details with nails or another crisp part, some surface details, and I treat as this part. So just a hand, so I think 8 minutes of work it's enough. Anyway, I go directly to with a noise surface. As you can see, at the end of this I do this skin wrinkle at the end of this, of course. Very fast, very speed. It's not my idea of correction. The correction is a general shape you should consider better. Then I start to scratch, to do some sketch of details that some of these I will smooth or erase them, and it's more like an exorcist hand now, because it's full of cutting on the end. It's a bit strange. At this end, I advise to choose good references because every hands are different, of course. We start with imagination, but if we have a good result at the end, we should consider some images, some reference of real hands. Keep in consideration how the hands is how is the hands inside. So you should consider this is only the bone, the ligament, and in the middle of this is full of muscle, of course, ligament between the bone. So you should always have finger attached to the forearm, and in the middle is full of muscle and some space. So you should imagine always, also when the hand is blocked, you should consider this movement to understand how is this part work, and start to do some eye details and maybe some veins. This vein, a vein here following the finger, but you can see, and superficial vein across this part. It's not the we don't know if it's correct area zone, but you should cross the ligament. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe and leave comments. Thank you. See you soon.